Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back. It is Tuesday, October 31st. It is Halloween. Happy Halloween to everybody. We made it through this week so far. We have a unboxing coming from Best Choice Products. Check them out. The link is going to be below. We got a nice size box right here. Oh man. Here's the number. Sky 2238. Could this be? Here comes a cut. There you go. Get this open. Got that. Bam. Got this side. Hope everyone had a good day. Just going. And get your trick-or-treating in. And get some candy filled tonight. There you go. And here is the treat. Oh boy. Here it is. This is going to be exciting. Oh boy. What is this? Lift this off. Okay, might have got it on backwards. Oh boy. There we go. Got that part done. Whoa. Looks like it's a leather chair. Whoa. Oh boy. Oh. Kind of hard to do this one-handed. I got it. Oh. There we go. Whoa. Look at that cushion. I like this. It's soft. Holy moly. Oh, this is the massage chair. Click on the link below. Get one at a low cost. Alright, I'm going to add some pause and do the rest in a minute. See ya. Alright, YouTubers, here it is. The Sky 3288 massage executive chair. All put together. Really nice and comfy. She is purring. Come home from a long day's work. Pop a squat in this and relax. Get one at a low cost. Click on the link below. Happy Halloween to all. What we got? Different features. Auto. Whoa. Lumbar. Thighs. The legs. That's gonna feel good. Intensity, you can do it low or high. Especially winter time. Crank on the heat. Bam. Simple plug-in. It's back here. Bada boom. Hopefully you guys can see that. Got the two red and white cords plugged in. And then that cord behind that one, the black one, is for the remote control. And this one down here is the plug. Pretty simple put together. No tools required. Maybe two people. But pretty simple. Just slide it into the grooves. And bam. And it's making a noise. It is working. So we'll do another panoramic shot of this executive chair from Best Choice Products. Thank you guys for sending me this over for the YouTubers to see. Get one at a low cost for Christmas before they sell out. It's really nice. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good day and see ya.